Scott Family TV. Tonight we're going to have a chicken taco. I saw this recipe thanks to Cooking with Aisha, and I'm going to give this recipe a try. It's called chicken taco. As you can see, I have my chicken. I have mustard base, and I use some of these seasoning like the garlic powder, onion powder, and this adobe, and that's it. And that's all I use. And then the mustard, and this is going to be all the ingredients for what this chicken taco is going to be looking like. We're going to get this the grease up to where it's going to get we need to be, and this is the ground beef that we're going to get. We're going to get started by turning this on, and as this ground beef is getting started, what we're going to do is we're going to shake a little bit of flour mixture on top of the chicken. Is wet, so we want to like a wet rub. We're just going to pat it in there, and then we ultimately going to put it in the bag and shake it up. As you can see, I cut this is chicken breast, and as you can see, I cut it in half. You be careful when you cut it. You don't want to cut it too deep. It's going to, and you cook it just like this. This is how the breast is, and then I just sliced it right down the middle and get a nice even cut on it. And I add all of my ingredients on it, my seasoning on it, and you can do the same. Make it yours. I see some things she did, but I'm gonna make it mine. I add the bacon. I love bacon, so I add bacon to one of my toppings on the taco, chicken taco tonight. And this is a very simple, easy recipe, and this is what me and my wife gonna have tonight. As you can see, all I do is shaking on it to coat it. You want to get it a nice thick coat, because when you put it in the flour, all it's going to help the chicken become crispy. And there you go. And just shake it. And we got that. And you can see I got it coated inside, outside. Inside, outside coat. Your hands get a little messy, but don't worry about mess. You can clean the mess up as you go. So we have 4 pieces of chicken breast tonight, and we're going to do a 4 piece of the chicken breast. Yeah, what we're going to do with as the ground beef is getting brown, you want to add a little seasoning to it. You don't want to add too much to it. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. And a little bit of this adobe sauce seasoning to it, just to give the ground beef some flavor when you eat it. And that's about it. And that's all we're gonna do with the ground beef. And this chicken, this grease should be getting hot right about now. I have it set on my deep fryer for 350, and it shouldn't take long for it to get hot to the desired temperature of what we need it at. And as you can see, the ground beef is getting brown. I have it turned up. And this is all the ingredients that you're going to need with the cheese and the tomato and lettuce. And as you can see, our ground beef is almost finished. This stuff. Maybe it'll come back. Alright, we back. And as you can see, the ground beef is ready. I'm going to turn that down. This chicken should be ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 in the bag, and we're going to coat them up real good for that grease. And we're going to fry 2 at a time, and we're going to go from there. Grease should be good and hot. You want to make sure it's coated inside and outside. As you can see, I have it coated pretty good inside and a little bit more on the inside of that one. Here we go. You see that's how it look. We're gonna place it in here. And here we go. And we're off. And we're gonna drop it in the grease and we'll be back. Alright, welcome. This is the chicken. This is the breast. As you can see, we got it nice and golden brown. And it's hot, so we can't. I can't do nothing with it right now. But I'm gonna put it over here. Sam, you can get a picture of it. How nice and golden brown this chicken breast is. We're just gonna take it out. It's very hot right now, but we're gonna take it back in the setup presentation in a minute, and we'll be back after it's cooled down. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, we have the chicken that is nice and golden brown and everything. And what we're gonna add to it first, we're gonna add a little bit of cheese. You put that cheese right in there because the chicken is hot, and get this cheese to melt on it. Yeah, add some cheese to it. Then you get your ground beef. You put your ground beef in it.
So we're basically using the chicken as the taco shell. If you could see, that's what's going on.
Yes.
The chicken is acting as the taco shell. And that's our dinner for tonight.
A little bit more ground beef in here.
Yeah.
And you fix it the way you want to fix it. I mean, you put your ingredients on what you want to.
Yeah, this looks delicious.
I have, you can add a little tomato. You fix your chicken taco the way you want it. Whatever you want, and that's the ingredients you add to it. You can add a little bit of lettuce. And you can add a little bit more cheese on the top of it. Like I said, make it yours, you know. Make it the way you want to. And like I said, I love bacon, so I'm gonna add just a few bacons to it. And I have some honey mustard dressing, and I'm going to drizzle it over it. Honey mustard make everything taste good. I don't know if you guys love it. I love it on my chicken. Yeah, just drizzle it as so. Get it all over it. And as you can see, we have a nice chicken taco. Sam, take a good picture of that. That's our chicken taco of our dinner for tonight. And like I said, just whatever ingredients you like on your chicken taco, just add your ingredients to it. And we're about to eat in it. We're going to take some picture before we eat it, just because it look good and smell good. So voila, chicken taco for dinner tonight. I'm about to bite into this chicken taco. Amazing. My God, it's so good. That is so good. You must try this recipe. Stop family too.